two solids A and B will decompose according to the equations. A gives X plus C, B gives X plus D. If pressure over pure A is 4 atmosphere and that over pure B is 6 atmosphere, what will be the equilibrium pressure over mixture of A and B? If you see in this equation, if I take A alone is present, if I say pure A is only there, it gives you an equilibrium of X plus C. This is gas and this is gas. And since A is a solid, what is the total pressure which is in this particular one? What is the total pressure over this is equals to, total pressure is equals to 4 atmosphere. That means at equilibrium there is no A. Need to consider active mass of solids is unity, so it's no need to consider. There will be a pressure of X will be P, pressure of let us say P naught, let us say pressure of C is also P naught. They are in 1:1 ratio, same pressure will be exhibited by X and C, such that sum of these two pressures is equals to the total pressure, which is equals to 4 atmosphere. So 2 P naught is equals to 4 atmosphere. Therefore, P naught value will be equals to 2 atmosphere each. So 2 atmospheres, which clearly indicates partial pressure of X is equals to 2 atmosphere and partial pressure of C will also be equals to 2 atmosphere if alone A is taken. Imagine the same reaction if I take with respect to B. That means B is in equilibrium with X and D alone, where B is a solid. Let P1 and P1 will be the pressures of this. The total pressure is observed to be 6 atmosphere. Total pressure is taken as 6. That means each pressure Px will become 3 atmosphere and Pd will also become 3 atmosphere each. Now, knowing the partial pressures of each gas taken alone in the pure A and pure B, can we calculate Kp? So if you take an equation of A gives rise to X plus C, let us imagine K1 is the equilibrium constant, which is given as partial pressure of X into partial pressure of C, where A is a solid. So K1 will be equals to 2 into 2, which is equals to 4 atmosphere square. This is going to be your K1. Same way, if I take B gives rise to X plus D, where partial pressure of each one is, let the equilibrium constant K2, partial pressure of X into partial pressure of D, which is equals to 3 into 3. So K2 will be equals to 9 atmosphere square. So knowing the equilibrium constants, now apply Le Chatelier condition. Effect of pressure will have no change on equilibrium constant. So taking that into consideration, if both equilibrium simultaneously takes place, let us imagine A is giving X gas and C gas simultaneously in the same container. B is also in equilibrium with X gas and D gas, such that if I take an example over here, initially this is considered to be 0 and 0. After some time t at equilibrium, let us take this is X and this is X. Same way, initially 0, 0 here. At equilibrium, this is assumed to be Y and Y, where simultaneous equilibrium says the one which is in common will have same composition in both the equilibrium. So the composition of X in A equilibrium will also be equals to the composition of X in B equilibrium. So the total composition of X in both the equilibrium will remain same. So taking this factor into consideration, let us start solving the question. Now here K1 will be equals to X into X plus Y. That means K1 is 4. 4 is equals to x into x plus y. Here K2 is equals to y into x plus y, where K2 is 9 is equals to y into x plus y. Solving the two equations, we get a relation. X by y is equals to 4 by 9. That implies x is equals to 4 by 9y. Substituting in one of the equation, 4 is equals to x into x plus y. Substituting here, 4 is equals to 4 by 9y into 4 by 9y plus y. Solving this equation, we will be getting y square is equals to 13 by 9y square. That will be equals to 36 by 4. So from this we can say y square is equals to 9 into 36 by 4 into 13. So we'll get y value close to root over 6.23, 2.49. Solving this, x value 4 by 9 times of y. Substituting this 4 by 9 into 2.49, we get approximately 1.1. So the total pressure, if I take, total pressure is equals to 2 times of x plus y. X plus y coming from x and x coming from c, y coming from d, totally 2 into x plus y. That becomes 2 into 2.49 plus 1.1, which comes to be 7.18 atmosphere. So the answer for this particular question will be 7.18 atmosphere.